Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at midday on Thursday, June 5th of the U.S. versus Sean Combs trial. And what a morning it's been. It started late, but Bana, or Bana, Combs' lawyer, Westmoreland, took her to the very edge and then showed that the date on which she said she'd been injured, or at least the metadata of the photo of her bruise that she took right after the incident of hanging off the balcony. On that very same day, Sean Combs was staying in the Trump International Hotel by Central Park West and ordering a $200 breakfast. This wasn't explained really on redirect. They just said, "You're not in it for the money, are you?" And you can't remember everything. But the metadata, it's not a question, I mean, she's only one witness. So what I want to get to in the brief time we have before it restarts is during the break, after the jurors were out, Judge Subramanian told Agnifilo, "Your client has been smiling and nodding at jurors, and it can't continue. And if it does, I'll give a limiting instruction, which you won't like, or I'll have your client removed from the courtroom." Now, people ask me, is it that possible? It is. There's a criminal rule of criminal federal procedure. Anyway, FRCP 43 says that it can be once a warning has been given and reasons are put on the record, and the trial can proceed. So we'll see if it comes to that. There's some juror stuff that is also of some concern. I don't know what the judge is going to do about it. What the judge said about the upcoming witness, Jane, he read a warning that there should be no recording in notes or sketches of the witness. Now, that's a problem. I'm sorry to say it, but do notes mean written notes? Because that's the whole point of the press being here, is that we're writing. No one wants to, they put an exhibit on the screen of the previous witness, apparently by mistake, but there was no way to know it was a mistake. But now, this more recent one, I think I'm fully committed to the pseudonymous thing, but I think it was important. There was some legal argumentation, but nothing about this idea that no notes can be taken. They're here in Kim Lau Square, as I call it. Some call it Chatham Square. Federal judges are crossing the street. It's Chinatown, it's lunchtime, and it's the Sean Combs trial reaching new peaks. We're working already on week 4 of Diddy on trial. Week 3 is available, in part to rebut some ridiculous reports that are coming out. But fact is getting stranger than fiction. We're going in, Inner City Press.